Here we are going to create a fresh ombre look that gives all your sunset dreams. We're going to use the colours from OPI and Essie. We're going to start by applying our base coat one layer thinly across all of the nails. The design that we're going to do will work on any nail shape and any nail length. Next, we're going to go in with our base layer of colour. We're using a soft pink from Essie. This will create a natural finish to the nails, giving a soft base for the ombre to sit on. The next step is blending the colours together. For this, we're going to use a makeup sponge. We're going to start by simply putting a little bit of each colour onto the makeup sponge and then gently dabbing it onto the surface of the nail. We're going to repeat this step several times until you're happy with the body of colour on the nails and you have even distribution between the two colours. The gradient of colour is striking yet soft enough for daily wear but also for holidays and summery events. Ombre nails are a long-standing nail trend and can be used in a combination of many different colours, such as blue and pink, pink and sage green, yellow and orange, just to name a few. Once you are happy with the colours and how they have blended together, we're going to apply our top coat to all of the nails, creating a high shine glossy finish. We're then going to go in with our cuticle oil as our last step. We're going to put this on all of the cuticles for long-lasting nail varnish wear and to hydrate our nails. And here we have it, our final look, a vibrant glossy finish to our ombre nails.